Hi everybody, welcome back to Gems and Jewels. This is a Louis Vuitton planter box made out of mirror, and I just wanted you to see it right quick. The way that I have it is it's on a shelf right now. There's a mirror underneath it because I chose not to put a bottom on it. I hope that you guys enjoy this project. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you for joining me. First up, I printed out the Louis Vuitton logo. And then secondly, I cut it out and then I put some bling wrap on certain areas. And then now I'm going to grab diamond confettis and diamonds and just glue them on here. So these are the 8-inch candle mirror plates. Yes, this one is absolutely fingered up. Anyways, what I'm going to do, if you want to glue it, you can glue it. I'm going to make a planter, but I think it's a lot easier to just tape it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 of them, line the 4 up, and then just tape them. I'm going to use duct tape. Like I said, you can glue, but I prefer to tape because it's just a lot less mess. So all I'm doing is duct taping these together. And I'm going to place them on a large mirror. And that's where my flower pot is going to go. And that's also going to support it. So just make sure that they're perfectly aligned. You don't have to take the feet off or anything like this. Basically what this is going to do is going to hide your pot or whatever your plant is in. Kind of hard to find nice pots. I think they're kind of cheese balls, so I like to cover mine up. I'm going to add an additional piece on each 3. And like I said, if you would prefer to glue it, you can glue it. I'm not going to put a bottom on it, and my reason is because I'm going to place it on a large mirror. No need for a bottom. So basically when you're done, this is what you get. So you have like a cube. And like I said, if you'd like, you can glue it. So then the last piece here in the inside, I'm going to take a couple more strips of tape. Stick it on the inside so that they're together. Make sure that's lined up. Alright, so the tape is in there. It will bend. If you want to take it down, you can just rip the tape off, but it's secured. See, it doesn't fall apart. It does bend, but like I said, I'm going to stick it on a mirror. So then what we're going to do is I'm going to take bling wrap and gems and glue them on the sides. Okay, so this is the jewels. I took the bling wrap and I hot glued the bling wrap, and then I alternated the diamond, and then the silver gem confetti, diamond, silver gem confetti, and I did this on both edges. Now where mine is going to sit, you're not going to see the back of it, so I'm not going to decorate the back of it. However, I put the logo in the middle, and this is what she looks like. Okay, so here are my planters. There's one. And then there's two. So I just took my plants and I put them in a coffee can because, like I said, I think pots are atrocious nowadays. Anyway, I'm going to display them and show you what that looks like. So remember now, for mine there was no bottom. So I'm using this mirror piece, and that's supporting my pot holder. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the plant. So this is the one plant holder, pretty similar to the second one. Get up close. And this is my second plant holder, which I just have it on a shelf for now, and that's not going to last very long because the plant is relatively tall. But here it is. I hope that you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.